Not sure how to use your Whirlpool AC Remote? Model number DG11J1-31. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your Whirlpool AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. Need more breeze? Tap the fan button to control how strong the airflow feels. Choose from low, medium, high, or auto, and enjoy the perfect breeze your way. Want cool air in every corner? Hit the swing button. It moves the air vents up and down, spreading airflow evenly across the room for all-around comfort. Sleep mode is designed for a restful night. When activated, it slowly adjusts the temperature to keep you comfortable while saving energy. No chills, no wake-ups, just smarter cooling while you sleep. The jet button activates the AC's powerful quick cooling or quick heating mode. When pressed, the unit runs at maximum fan speed and airflow to rapidly reach the desired temperature in a short time. The Sixth Sense button automatically senses the room temperature and adjusts the cooling or heating, fan speed, and airflow for optimal comfort. The Around You button uses the sensor inside the remote to detect the temperature near you. The AC then adjusts its cooling based on the remote's location, ensuring comfort right where you are. The Dim button reduces or turns off the AC display light. It is useful at night or in dark rooms, preventing bright light from disturbing your sleep. To set the timer for the unit, press the Timer On button to start the on-time sequence. Use the temperature up or down buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn on. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the Timer On function to activate. For example, if it is currently 3 p.m., and you want the air conditioner to turn on at 5 p.m., set the timer for 2 hours. To set the timer for the unit, press the Timer Off button to start the off time sequence. Use the temperature up or down buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn off. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the Timer Off function to activate. For example, if it's 10 p.m. and you want the AC to turn off at 12 a.m., you can simply set the timer for 2 hours, and it will automatically stop at midnight. The Power Save button turns on energy-saving mode. In this mode, the AC adjusts compressor and fan operation to cut down on electricity use while still providing comfortable cooling. Press and hold the temperature up arrow and temperature down arrow buttons together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your Whirlpool AC Remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.